Did you know that a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? When you sneeze, thousands of droplets are expelled from your nose and mouth at an incredible speed. And those droplets can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than some cars on the highway. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, make sure to cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or your elbow. Thanks for tuning in to this short fun fact video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more interesting facts like this one.